pastry, KKWABAEGI. It's a kind of brioche, fried. It's really specific. Here's the ingredients. This is some flour. Sometimes in Korea we use some rice flour too, both of them. But this is a 100% wheat flour. Here is some sugar, some salt, dry yeast, cow milk, egg, butter. And this is the final touch. It's sugar mixed with some green tea. First step, we have to have a lukewarm milk, and you have to mix the yeast inside and let it bubble a little bit. During this time, I just mix the egg, and we combine together milk and egg after. Okay? Up. Put the flour in this bowl. In one side the sugar, the other side salt. First time we have to let it rise for 30-40 minutes, and the second times we have to wait for 30 minutes. We have to mix egg and milk. Go to the mixer. We have to let it cool a little bit. We put it in the fridge for a few minutes. Up. I flour the table. There's the dough. Up. When you use your hands, you can feel the texture. We finish in the oven, 35 degrees. You can roll, you can see I roll the sticky part inside. Up. You roll them, and after you turn them this way. The final twist is he does it himself like this. 10 minutes in the oven, and after we have to fry them. Up, start to expand, and after this you roll them in the sugar.